All right, good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader.com, here with your Thursday market webcast. Okay, so we didn't do a webcast yesterday. I've been, doing a lot of stuff with the subscribers and the premium people, so I wanted to get on this morning and just go over a few things. On the premium webcast last night, we talked about what we were doing with our trade, which is long from 40, and we talked about the next destination of price, which was going to be this intersection between the 20-day and the 200-day. I really didn't think we'd be talking about it at 10 after 9 in the morning. So, that was quick. It's been a very quick 100 in the tape. The market or price, more specifically, is going to have an opportunity to make a lot of big decisions today. You're at the intersection between a very long-term moving average and a shorter-term moving average. And, now everybody's chirping about Santa and the shorts are pissed because we're not going down every moment of every day. But once we lost this lower band ride and came up through and tested the 9-day and broke through the 9-day yesterday. So yesterday the bulls got done everything they needed to get done. Weekly pivot, 9-day. The new monthly pivot, which was at 52, they closed above it. That was the other, shot across the bow. And they went ahead and took it to the next step and are now at the 200-day and the 20-day. So one of a couple of things. On the longer term time frame, there's nothing bullish about this yet at all. Okay, you had a lower band ride. We've talked about it for 10 years, 11 years, however long I've been doing this. Lower band, middle band, upper band, middle band, lower band. And things that want to be sell rallies and things that want to be bearish markets are going to go from the lower band to the middle band, and they're going to stay right there, and that's where it's going to come in. And today we get to decide, is that what it's going to do? Do I know what it's going to do? No. Why? Because I'm not full of shit. And anybody that's telling you that they know what it's going to do has no credibility because they don't know. What I do know is that we're a very, very, very important juncture as far as price is concerned, okay? If the bears step up here and hold the 200-day and the 20-day, then they they establish on a long-term frame and a short-term frame that they remain in control of this tape. And over time, bleeds back down to lower level. We're in a sell rallies tape. If the bulls win the day here and we end up closing above these areas and they can then spend a couple of days above it, that's important. Then it can wind back and, maybe it's got a little more room. We can go back and test some things like this little concentrated area where it failed back in October. Door number 3 is we fight over this for a while, which is a completely reasonable response considering we went down for about 8 sessions. We've gone up for about 4 sessions. The market's probably a little tired and needs to think about what it wants to do next. And if that's the case, you need to not overtrade it. So anyway, this is going to be a very quick webcast because the market's going to open. I wanted to get this done just to say, here's where we are. So you got volume weighted average price 78.5. You've got proprietary moving average is 82.25. 96 is your daily mid-band, 20-day simple moving average. And right there in the 96, call it, is the 200-day exponential moving average on the continuation chart, which is the one I like to track. So this is going to be very interesting today. All right, everybody have a good one. Take care, trade them well. Subscribers, I'll see you in the room, and we'll talk again tonight. Follow us over on Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat at Princeton Trader. Check us out on Facebook and join us for a free trial at www.princetontrader.com. Trade them well.